up and welcome to our channel. For those of you who have been following along, you know that I recently unboxed two full-size keyboards, both the MX Mechanical and the MX Keys. Those are both part of the Master Series by Logitech, and we'll be continuing with that series by unboxing the MX Mini Mechanical keyboard. Alright, so starting off we have our Logibro receiver, and this is for that wireless connection. Now over here we have our user documentation. And then we have our USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Alright, so getting into the keyboard itself, you can connect it either through Bluetooth or the Logibro receiver. Alright, and on the top we have our on and off power switch, which allows for easy connectivity and activates the backlights. So the keyboard also has a rechargeable battery, which can last up to 15 days or 10 months without the backlights. And it also comes with Easy Switch, which allows you to switch between 3 different devices that are all connected to your keyboard. And lastly, we have a 33-foot wireless range. Alright guys, so overall I really liked the MX Mechanical Mini. I think it has some great aesthetics, the looks are on point, and not only that, but it had easy wireless Bluetooth connectivity, and the battery life was super long, which I think is really important for a wireless keyboard since you don't want to keep hooking it up if it's meant to be wireless. I'll link the product down below in the description if any of you are interested in buying it, and overall I would give this keyboard a big thumbs up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for any new notifications, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!